Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab with ShanShan art, and we both are drawing birds, and she uploaded hers a little bit before I did. I was really busy, so I wasn't able to upload the bird drawing, but here I am using Procreate for like the second time ever and just drawing a bird, and I'm just right now adding like the base and everything, and you'll see that it'll look a lot better near the end. And this video is kind of short, but I mean, I think that's okay. So I just wanted to come on voiceover and tell you that I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to link ShanShan's YouTube channel in the description down below and in the iCard. I'm gonna link her video, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video. And if this is your first time looking at my channel, welcome. Better videos to come. I'm super excited, and stay tuned. And also, before I forget to mention, this is only part 1 of my bird drawing, and that's because, again, like I mentioned, I'm getting really busy because of finals. So hopefully part 2 will be uploaded next week, because I don't have school next week. I'm so excited for the end of the year. So hopefully part 2 will be uploaded next week, and you'll see the final bird drawing. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoy the video, and